power of unity. Once upon a time, there in this beautiful town lived 7 wonderful counts: red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, and indigo. They made the rainbow. These outstanding colors, like cats and dogs, began to quarrel, each claiming to be the best amongst the rest. From east to west, they all beat their chests. I am the best. In pride, they rapidly drew apart from each other. Green shouted with an egotistic order, I am the best order. I am the sign of life. There, blue interrupted, I am the color of peace. The sky and the sea, there's none compared to me. With big smile, deep letter yellow lace up his profile. I am the sun, moon, and stars. Without me, there will be no day, no or night. From each other they went of 5 orange trumpets inside. I am the color of health and strength. Think of carrots, orange, and pumpkins. Man, I am the king. There Ray couldn't stand at all in words. He bends up his eyeball. I am the ruler of all. I am the color of blood, life, and love. And purple increased his heart. He spoke deep down from his heart. I am the color of royalty and authority. All of you must bow to my superiority. And in an extended voice, Indigo rejected their laws. I am the boss of all. I represent deep words. They drew back, put their faces in the air, ignoring the sky that they all shared. Suddenly there was a rushing mighty rain with storm and thunder and came, sweeping everything like a hurricane. These divided colors sought for shelter to get warmer. In fear, they all drew near each other and formed the beautiful rainbow color. So today, in this call, I want you all to remember that unity in diversity is the ability for us to bring our differences for one overarching objective. United we stand, divided we fall is an old saying that should not be ignored at all. Reaching the boundaries and fostering unity is not for decorating the flyers only, but must be engraved on our hearts to direct our paths. What unites us must be more than what divides us. Because it is in union that strong success is sure. With it, we will overall prevail. So there's no Mandela Washington Fellowship seat, there's no ES seat, there's no Yanni seat, there's no Amco Fellowship seat. We are all beneficiaries of the United States Exchange Program. Like a rainbow, let's unite our differences for the betterment of our country. Thank you. Thank you.